as you can see from the clip that just played, we're now taking this basic flammed exercise, which is flam right left, flam right left, flam right left, that really simple 3-note grouping that repeats. But instead of playing it in triplets, we're now going to play it in 16th notes. So that's 4 notes to each quarter note. So that's 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Let's now try the basic pattern as we're going to play it on the snare drum, but on the cymbal, so you can practice it off the kit, so you can start hearing this phrase. And that sounds like this: 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. I'll try and sing it this time. 3, 4, flam right left, flam right left, flam right left, flam right left, right left, right left, 1. Okay, let's put it on the snare, play some basic time, and then do the fill just on the snare drum first, so you can really get comfortable with how this phrasing and how this sticking is. The next thing to do is to take exactly the same sticking and move it around the kit. So we've got the same pattern, but we're going to try and sweep it between the floor tom and the snare drum, or the cymbal and the snare drum. And by sweeping, what I mean is coming across from one drum to the other when you're playing the double. Let's say that's the floor tom and that's the snare drum. We sweep the right hand across, so it would be boom ta ta boom ta ta boom ta ta boom, or with the cymbal pish ta ta pish ta ta. This just gives you another sound and another concept when you're playing your fills. On this filling, we're still playing the simple flam right left, flam right left, flam right left, flam pattern. That's just that really simple 3-note pattern. But we're going to start with the bass drum. So then the 16 notes we need to make the 16th note fill in, we've got the 1 extra bass drum note at the beginning, and then we do 5 of these flam right left, and that gives us our 16 notes for the whole bar. And that sounds like this: boom pa t t ta t t ta t t ta t t ta t t boom ka boom ka boom ka t t ta t t ta t t ta t t ta t t boom. Right, let's take that phrase, put it on the kit, put it on some interesting sound sources, and really make some interesting fillings using this concept. Now this fill's also going to use that really simple sticking, the flam right left, flam right left, flam, that repetitive 3-note group, the Swiss triplet. But this time we're going to start with 4 notes on the snare drum, just right, left, right, left, right. And then we're going to do 4 groups of that 3-note phrase in 16th notes. So it makes a really nice fill-in that starts off like you'd expect it to on a really simple fill, but then pushes across the beat a bit and puts a bit more tension into it. Let's now sing and play this together so you can really internalize it before you put it on the kit. Here we go. Boom, t, da, t, boom, t, da, t, da, 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 t, da, t, da, t, da, t, boom, t, da, t, boom, t, da, t, da, 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 t, da, t, da, t, da, t, boom. Let's take this now, put it on the kit, orchestrate it with some really interesting sounds, some toms or some cymbals, and make some really nice, interesting fill-ins with it. Now with with these Swiss triplets, that really simple sticking of the flam right, left, flam right, left, flam right, left, you can really chop it up and vary where you put the flams and where you put normal straight 16ths. So now you can phrase this in any order. You can do it in orders where you've got 4, then 4 lots of 3, or you can do 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. Or you could do 3, 4, 3, 3, 3. It doesn't matter what order you do it in, as long as it always adds up to these 16 notes. So let's try one now where we do 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. So we've got 4 lots of 3, which is 12, and in the middle we've got another 4 notes, and that makes 16. I know this sounds really complicated, but it's not that complicated. It's really basic mathematics, adding up to 16th notes. So let me play this one. This is a 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, and that sounds like this. Boom. Ka, boom, ka, bat, 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 boom, ta, boom, ta, bat, 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 boom. Let's now take this idea, get that tension we've got from going slightly across the beat, put it on the kit and make some really nice, interesting fills. As always, all we're trying to do with these exercises is to try and learn the concept, that really simple flam right, left, and then take it and extrapolate that into millions of ideas of your own. There's so many ways you can skin this cat to get some really interesting fillings. So take it away. Don't be scared to make lots of cock-ups. Make loads of screw-ups, lots of mistakes. The more mistakes you make, the more you're trying to be original and try and find your voice on the kit. And all we're ever trying to do is find our own voice on the kit, on this instrument. But we're all using the same sort of ideas, but we just jumble it up in our way to find an end result that sounds like us.